We're going to take a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new home by DR Horton. This home is out towards Von Armory, so on the south, kind of the southeast, a little south side of San Antonio. Really easy to get to everywhere, right by 1604 and 410, easy commute. Right by the Toyota plant. As you can see, I'm right at the front door. Here's the door to the garage. I'm going to kick over here into the kitchen. As you see here, this house comes with a beautiful island. It's all granite. Has these huge, wonderful countertops. Right here is the pantry. I wish I could get into the pantry to show you with this video, but this one doesn't show it. And then you can see it has plugs. You can have bars right here. You're ready to go that way. I'll click here and just kind of show you the kitchen right here again. And this is the kitchen setup right here. You can see it's good to go. Connected all the way nice and open so you can have that big open feel is this living room. In the living room, you can see it's set up with your internet, your plugs, your cable. Has nice big, lot of light, big high ceiling here. You have a nice high ceiling to enjoy that way. Now the other 2 bedrooms are down this hall. So if I go here to the hall a little bit and then kind of go forward, at the corner of the hall, there's this great closet, which is like, of course, the hall closet for coats and other things, storage. And then here are 2 of the bedrooms. So I'm going to skip into bedroom 1. Here's bedroom 1. All the bedrooms are very similar. They all have a great big closet, have a great window. You can see good space in these bedrooms. Here's bedroom 2. As you're noticing, very similar. I'm going to kick us back into the living room, dining room now. And then once we go into the living room, dining room now, I'm going to go this way and kick over here into the master bathroom. And then the master bedroom first, actually. So here's the master bedroom. You see it's very nice and big, very large. Has a big open ceiling, as you can see here. It's great that way. And it has, lots of space for your king-size bed, all kinds of privacy in the back. As you can see in the window, if you noticed it, there's nobody out there. And then right here is your master bath, which has a shower in this one instead of a tub shower. This one's set that way. I'll kick us in here so you can see the master bathroom a little bit. Nice large countertop with a sink. A big storage closet. Has its own separate little spot there for the toilet to be closed out. So you have all this. This home is under $270. So this home is like $265. Great value if you're looking for a beautiful home. If you need, I'll skip over here to show you. So this home comes with a fridge, dishwasher. It doesn't have a, right here, this, like, I'm trying to say fridge. Boy, it doesn't have a fridge. It comes with a stove dishwasher. Easy for me to say, huh? So if you need a fridge, I'm trying to say, we do have programs right now. We can help you get a fridge. This home is also for no money down. A certain type of loan as long as you have a 640 credit score. Now, if you currently rent in San Antonio, we do have a grant as long as you have a 620 credit score for $5,000 on top of anything they're offering here, which is covering all closing costs to help cover any money you need for down payment or anything you want. Or you can just get a check at closing for $5,000. So this is an incredible home. It's ready to go, and if I click on this spot here, it kind of shows you the way it looks. It's called the dollhouse view, or I can view the floor plan this way. So as you see, you come in, here's the kitchen, living room, here's the master. Has this big walk-in closet here with the master. It didn't show because it was behind the door, but there's this big locked walk-in closet. Here's your kitchen, right, your bathroom, your master bath, your ensuite. When you come in the home this way, here's your pantry. And as you come this way, here's the other bathroom, tub shower combo. Of course, the toilet, and here's your other 2 bedrooms right here. And then you can see it has all these different really cool options here. And then it's going to let you check anything else that you want to. Then you can explore class. We can jump back into it. So if you have any other questions, if you want to go see this in live, this great floor plan live, I'd love to show it to you. We can get you out there today even, and it's ready to move in. You could be in this home within 30 days. And you'd be ready to go, and there'd be no issues at all getting you in there. And as you can see here on the back, if I go towards the back here a little bit, there's a great porch. I'm trying to show you how good the nice covered porch here. So you can see a covered patio here, and in the back they have no one behind them right now. We don't know if it's going to stay that way. It looks like there's like a larger fence there, so it maybe stayed that way. We'd have to check if this is a true greenhouse or if you can just enjoy it for a while. Hope to talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy the tour.